Use the coordinates to graph segment AB and CD. Segment, tell wherever CD segment is rotation of AB segment about the origin. If so, get the angle and direction of rotation. So first we will draw XY plane. We have point A, unit 1. Point A is negative 2, 1. So this is our point A. Point B is negative 1, 2. Point C is negative 3, negative 2. And D is negative 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and negative 3. Point D. This is point C. So now we have to connect point A and B point, and we have segment AB and segment CD. Next, to check if point C, this rotation of AB about the origin, we have to connect the origin with B and A and C and D. And now we have to put protractor and point 0 and first segment OA, and we have to check how many degrees is from A point to point C. This is more than 60 degrees. The same we have to do with point B. Protractor must be in the origin and on segment OB. And we see that we have now more than 100 degrees. So point A and point B are moved by the different degrees. We can write that measure of angle AOC is less than measure of angle BOD. If this is angle, measure of angle AOC is less than measure of angle BOD. This is not rotation. So this is my solution.